Is the Apple Watch Ultra the new cool status symbol? I'm Kurt the CyberGuy, and I'll tell you everything you need to know about Apple's latest launch and all the new products over at CyberGuy.com. I was at Apple Park, the headquarters of Apple, as Tim Cook announced the new iPhones, upgraded AirPods, and 3 new Apple Watches. While the Apple Watch Series 8 and Apple Watch SE were both unveiled, the Apple Watch Ultra is the toughest sports watch ever created. Tech fans have their eyes on the Ultra edition of the smartwatch because it was created for athletes and adventurers alike, and it comes with powerful health features we've never seen before. Some of the best new features include the brand new button called the Action button. The color is international orange, so it stands out, and you can use it to activate a siren, start a dive or run, or use a compass or night mode. Speaking of night mode, you'll be able to use the Apple Watch in the dark because the interface turns bright red, which is ideal for visibility. The Apple Watch Ultra is also handy if you're on a hike, run, or just anywhere you're not familiar with. Use the compass waypoints as markers along the way, and use the backtrack feature to use a GPS map to find your way back the way you came. GPS won't be an issue because every Apple Watch Ultra comes with GPS and cellular, and it uses the most advanced frequencies. Other new health capabilities include a cycle tracker for the women's health that uses your body temperature and tons of new water sport features. You can also use the Apple Watch Ultra as a dive computer because it's twice as water resistant as past Apple Watches. The extended battery life means you can bring it on an adventure and it'll last up to 60 hours on a single charge using battery optimization settings coming later this fall. Now, the Apple Watch Ultra will cost you $799, which is $300 more than the new Apple Watch Series 8, and you can pre-order it starting now. The Apple Watch is officially available September 23rd, and you can find out all the new features from the latest Apple launch by subscribing to my free newsletter at cyberguy.com.